hours later.
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. Hi honeys. Yo, I'm tired. I just saw this chair that I'm sitting is broken. Like how? Because yesterday Nikki was in a country and there was nothing. Now I feel like this is not my chair. I have to go back to the other chair that I don't like. Well, but then I just came from the mall. I could not attend class because I was late. But nearly one class failed. I think I'll have to book an appointment because that's class you say attend the hand. I have to do things proper. So let me show you what I got from the mall. I got this book. Take on tea. I got this book. Putting X through an anxiety. It's so small. It's 32. And then oh, I'm so tired. Because you look at Ngamona Kanai Karikat Kazamakaisa didn't talk on a military forces. Hey. Kahuka, Molo, you're an exam at the whole day. So I got this B shot vitamin B shot boost because now I wanted to like get I wanted to go for injection and be a B shot because you have to suck like mahata and all those things. And now what I'm feeling right now is all the time. And then wipes, baby wipes, Colgate. Yeah. Just toiletries, come on. And then I bought this also Heavenly Body Sprinter in a Garrett in Romans. I was so confused. I was smelling everything. Come on. And then yeah, it is good. Something that I smell nice. Things are so expensive, guys. Yo, it's not even funny. Things are so expensive. Where? Wow. The genie. How's an genie over 180? Like, okay, you know, I like it. The genie give over 232. Oh. And then I wanted to be the girl who will like sandals, like rest from the sneakers and stuff, and I got this. Ooh. And then like they have support here. So ish. I hope it's gonna sharp or they're gonna have. I want to be that girl who goes to campus with a shirt and a jean and a sandals. This thing of always wearing a sneaker and border. I don't want to be that person anymore. And then I bought it. What's this? I bought a jean from Edgar's. I bought a jean and this and then from Edgar's. Then it's like can I get clicks? Yeah. Then I got money and sanitizer and I got 200. Got this for 2 rand. Yeah, I took 2. And then it is like on this vlog, there's a vlog where I talked about having like this daily planner journal that has like a section in handle inside. Then I also bought saw this one online, but this was going to be like a journal where I write how I feel, what's happening, and then that one will be like everyday journal where I do like a daily planner. So I got this one. Let me show you guys. It's so nice. It's 90 rand. It's so nice. Like I wish you guys can see. Like oh, I got it from Mr. Price Home. Look. And then a wrap paying for like I think I'm gonna use this one as like I don't know like UCBC as what. But then I saw this one a nice. And then yeah, it never was so fair. Like the cake like this other one got hype, but I was like 150, 180. I was like, let me go here. Nikki double check the price bill. Like she like man. My 2 journals. This is 36 rand. This is 90 rand. Oh, I love them so much. This is what I'm excited most about. Like this one, like the paid, but I don't know. Okay, fine. And then I went to Pick n Pay clothing. I just realized like Pick n Pay clothing are really nice clothes. Like, and I wanna say most of the time. I wanted it like a lot of shades and don't. I'm gonna open this thing. So they have a lot of shades and stuff. So let's open this thing. Oh. Should I show you? But it's just gonna keep a feel like I'm got a shit. The 70. Then I got this crop. It's not a crop top, but it is not like lengthy, just almost crop top. 70. Then I got this shit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And yeah. Then that's it. That's it. So now I have to do this campus survey that I have to do. This whole weekend I was relaxing. Now I have a lot of things to do. So yeah. Oh no. Okay.
Two hours later.
Oh, oh, oh. Guys, please, if you overthink, I just going through the second page, the second page, introduction, and this book, and yeah, and it's so small. Yeah, I recommend. Please buy this book if you overthink. and you think too much. As long as you overthink, get it. And if you have anxiety, I think, and you're a Christian, yeah, I think it also relates. I'm not sure, but it also relates. I can. But let's leave it. But then get this book. It's 32 rand.
The next day.
Morning, guys. Morning, guys. It's Tuesday today, and I'm going to school. So let's go to school together. I have a 9:25 class. Get 20 to 9. I have 9:25. So I'm thinking I should walk already now, or I should wait for my partner because I'm with my friend. I always go with him to class. Now it's not. I'm sorry, I'm good to he's going to class or not, but then happy Tuesday. It's gonna be a long day. 9:25 to 2:30. To 2. Oh. Hi.
And we want to eliminate risks, hazard, and incidents. That's what we want. These reductions result of